Guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, let's directly go to the topic. Let's not waste the time. Guys, in the previous two classes, actually, we had seen the line clipping algorithms. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
See here, if you see this image, I will rewind.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Now, just I changed my device location. I changed it. Now I am
Clear.
audible. Is there
Now
any
it's clear.
betterment in the voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nodrapa. Okay. See, guys, if you see this image, this rectangle is the screen, guys. X minimum, Y minimum, X maximum, Y minimum, X maximum, Y maximum, and X minimum, Y maximum. So see, guys, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are there. So these lines, if you see, the first line is completely outside. Second line is one line is completely outside. One line is completely inside. One line is partially inside. One line is also partially inside. So there is no rule that, guys, all the lines whatever we draw that should lie inside the window. It can lie inside the window. It can lie outside the window. Partially it can lie inside the window. Partially it can lie outside the window. Like that, there will be different cases. So what we need to do is we need to select the image lines which are only inside the window. We need to display the lines only which are inside the window. For that, we have one algorithm called Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. Cohen-Sutherland algorithm. What it is going to do is it is going to divide the entire window into different parts. That is it is going to divide the entire window into 4 parts: right, left, top, bottom, left, right, top, bottom, left, right, top, bottom. See here, it is going to divide the entire screen into left, right, top, bottom. Left bit is 1, right bit is 2. See here, left bit is 1, right bit is 2, bottom bit is 3, top bit is 4. So the combination of top and left 001 mate 1000, it will be 1001. Combination of top and right, that is combination of 1000 and 0010, it will be 1010. One second. I am audible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Note, what it is going to do is it is going to divide the entire screen into 4 parts: left, right, top, bottom. Left bit is set to 1, right bit is set to 2, top bit is set to 4, and bottom bit is set to 3. And what it is going to do is it is going to assign the bits. 1 means it will be 001, 2 means 0010, 3 means 00100, 4 means 1000. And this bit, guys, this bit is got by the combination of this bit, left bit and top bit. This bit is got by the combination of this one. Oh, sorry. Okay. This 1010 is got by the combination of 1000 and 0010. And here this is got by the combination of the left and the bottom bit. This is got by the combination of bottom and right bit. Okay. This is the window how it will be identified. Now let us see the problem. So next what we are supposed to do is, guys, one nimsha, I will show the example. Yes, through this example we can solve that. See here, guys, there is a line A to B. There is a line A to B, and there is a line E to F. Guys, one nimsha correct ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And there is one more line. Okay, this line, guys. You go through the line from I to J. Guys, if you make I to J, see here, there is a line from I to J, right? This line, guys. I minus 4, 7, J minus 2, 10. This line is there, right? So this point is lying at a position called as 1001, and this is at a position 1000. If you make the AND operation of that one, and it's not OR operation. Listen here, it is not OR operation, guys. Here we are supposed to do AND operation. If you do the AND operation of this one, will you get all zeros or will you get at least one bit as 1? You go through this one. If you make the AND operation of 1001 and 1000, 1001, 1001,
1000, sir.
what is the result of this one? AND operation of this one, 1001 and 1000.
1000, sir.
You won't get all zeros, right? Ashta conclusion. I don't want the answer. Will you get all zeros?
No, sir. No, sir.
You won't get all zeros, right? So if you won't get all zeros, means that line is lying outside the window. That line is lying outside the window. You do one thing. You do A and B. You do the AND operation for the line A and B. For the line A and B, guys, I want you people to do the AND operation for the point A and B. A is at 001, 0001, and B is at 1000. 1000 and 0001. 1000 and 0001. If you make the AND operation of 1001, sorry, 1000 and 0001, will you get all zeros or will you get any bit as 1? You go through this one. I'm not in a hurry. A and B. A is at a position 0001, 0001. B is at 1000. Will you get all zeros or will you get any bit as 1? Yenapa?
1001, sir.
Hey, and madre kana. Or allo?
Yes, sir, we'll get only 1 bit, sir.
How?
2 bits, sir.
Henge? And kana?
1001.
Hey, according to me, if you do AND operation, when will be AND true? If it is 1 and 1, right? 1 and 1, true. 1 and 1, it will be true. In rest of the case, it will be false, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, you tell now. For A and B, A is 0001 and B is 1000. 001 and 1000. Now you people make AND operation of this one, guys.
All zero, sir.
Everyone, Beroro. We will get all zeros only. Now do one thing. You take the line from E to F. You take the line from E to F. E is 000. E is 0000 and F is also 0000. If you make 00 and 00 and what you will get result? 4 zeros and 4 zeros. What is the result of this one? E to F. E to F. You'll get 4 zeros as a result, right? See guys, if you make the AND operation of the end points of a line, if you get any bit as 1, means the line is not lying inside the window. Okay? If you get all the bits as 0000, means some part is lying inside the window. Some part or all is lying inside the window. Or if any of the bit is 1, it is understood that the entire line is lying outside the window. That's it, guys. Is this clear? Guys, is this clear? Is no one able to reply through chat box? Or only few? Try ಮಾಡಿ chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Mahima, is it clear, ma?
Yes,
Others?
sir.
Okay, guys, now we shall see polygon clipping. This is what we discussed in the previous two classes. Now we have Sutherland Hodgman algorithm. Sutherland Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. See, guys. Yes, guys. Okay, let's go with this one only. Guys, this is the original polygon for us. This is the original polygon. So, if you see the original polygon, is the entire polygon lying inside the window? Reply yes or no. No, polygon clipping. 101% guarantee question, guys. You respond for 10 minutes. Let's wind off the class if you are not so interested. Important topic. Guys, everyone respond. Reply A. Mansoor, Kaif, Manoj, Basham, Nishant, Shashank, Tota Shashank. Good ma. ಒಂದು 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. You listen for 15 minutes. Let's wind off the topic. Important topic. See, guys. Now, is this original polygon? In this original polygon, is the polygon lying inside the window or polygon lying outside the window, or some part of the polygon is lying inside the window and some part of the polygon lying outside the window? Polygon, first case, so polygon is lying inside the window. Second case, so polygon is lying outside the window. Third one, no. Some part of the polygon is lying inside, some part of the polygon is lying outside. Which is correct? Condition 1, 2, 3.
3, sir.
Very good. Others? Okay. So guys, what we need to do is here also what we need to do is we need to select part of the polygon which is lying only inside the window. We need to clip off the polygon which is lying outside the window. First, for that, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to do first left clipping, next to right clipping, next to bottom clipping, next to top clipping, left to right to bottom to top. We need to do this one. Go through this, guys. We have the original polygon for which the star shape, for which some part of the geometric object is lying inside the window, some part of the geometric object is lying outside the window. And what we need to do is to get the geometric object which is lying inside the window. First, what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to do first left clipping, next to right clipping, next to bottom clipping, next to top clipping. And this will be the original product what we get, which is lying inside the window. Okay. Go through this one. I will give you 1 or 2 minutes time. So now one more person by name Sutherland Hodgman. Line clipping is given by Cohen Sutherland. Polygon clipping is given by Sutherland Hodgman. Cohen Sutherland, line clipping go, Sutherland Hodgman, polygon clipping go. Both the questions are guaranteed for your internals as well as examination, guys. Guys, see here, 28th will be your second internals. July end, you people will be having your third internals. By the end of July, you will be having your third internals. And by the end of July, you will be having third internals. August midweek, you people will have offline exams, guys. No promotion, nothing. I don't know why you people are taking for granted. Only some 7 to 10 people are attending the classes regularly. So let us see the algorithm. That is Sutherland Hodgman algorithm. Here, this is also one of the examples. This is the clipping window. A triangle has been given as an input. But if you see, once you clip that one, so see here, for the triangle, the vertices are 1, 2, 3. But the vertices which are lying inside the window are 1 dash, 1 double dash, 3 double dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 2 double dash. Only these are the parts of the window which are lying inside the window. Okay. Here also what we need to do is we are going to do left clipping, right clipping, top clipping and bottom clipping, or bottom clipping and top clipping. Guys, did you people understand why do we need polygon clipping? Reply why if you have understood why do we need polygon clipping first of all. What is the purpose of clipping the polygon? Reply why. Monica, Taifu, Mansoor, Mahima. Okay, let us see what Cohen Sutherland, what Sutherland Hodgman are going to tell. What he's going to tell is he's going to give some cases, guys. Some 4 cases. Based on that one, we can clip that one. There are 4 possible cases. So, okay. What he's going to tell is he's going to tell 4 cases. One possibility is that you go through these cases, guys. Go through those cases. Let me show you. See here. One second. See guys. If this is the window, is the screen visible? Word. Someone
Sir.
reply through voice.
Yes, sir.
This is the window for us. So there might be cases like, see here, if this is the window and if this is the triangle, what I'm going to draw. So only for me, what will be visible is, I won't be getting a triangle, guys. I will be getting only this part of the triangle as an output, because only this is the part of the geometric object which is lying inside the window. So what we need to do is we need to clip off this one. What we need to do is we need to clip this one. What we need to do is we need to clip this one. So to clip this one, what they have done is, one person by name Sutherland Rajman, he has given one formula or one algorithm type he has given. In that, what he is going to do is it is going to classify into 4 cases. It's going to classify into 4 cases. So this is the window for us. So first case, one possible is that the first edge end point is outside the clipping boundary and the second point is inside, guys. The end point is outside the clipping boundary and the second end point is inside. See here, first case. First case is one point is lying outside the window. One point is lying outside the window and the second point is lying inside the window. Outside, inside. This is the first case. So this is the first case. So let us see the second case. The second case is both the endpoints could be inside the clipping boundary. Both the endpoints could be inside the clipping boundary. Both the endpoints are inside the clipping boundary means we will be getting this. Both are inside. This is the second case. One is outside. Both are inside. This is also inside. So this is also inside. Inside and inside. So let us see third case. Third case is first endpoint is inside the clipping boundary and the second endpoint is outside the clipping boundary. So This is out in, out in. This is in and in. So next will be in, out. So this will be third case. Next it will be fourth one. Fourth one will be entirely, it will be outside, out and out. So this is the fourth case. Out and out. So these are the three cases, guys, what the Sutherland Hodgman is going to tell. One will be in and out, second will be out and in, third will be in and in, fourth will be out and out. Are you people clear with these four cases? If you're clear, reply 4. Reply 4 if you are clear. Others? Okay. Let us see what he's going to tell once again. Go through this one. This is very important. That's the algorithm. That's it. The first, you can take this as a reference only, guys. Example. If the first input vertex is outside the clipping window border and the second vertex is inside. If the first case, guys, out to in. First case, out to in. If there is a vertex starting from V1 and if it is ending at V2. If there is a line starting at vertex V1 and if it is ending at V2. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to take the intersection point V1 as V1 dash. And V2 we are going to retain the same thing. And we are going to save the output as V1 dash V2. And there is one more vertex, guys, in the second case. In the second case, it is in and in. So we are going to save the destination vertex, not the initial vertex. We are going to save the destination vertex, not the initial vertex. The third case is the reverse of first case. If the first vertex is inside and the second vertex is outside, only the polygon edge intersection position with the clipping window border is sent to the next clipper. If both the vertices are outside the clipping window border, no vertices are sent to the next clipper. Go through these four cases. This is the algorithm, guys. The example is given. You for the today's class, you just go for this these four cases. next class we shall see once again the revision of this one and example and see other topics. Okay, guys, any improvements with respect to installation of code blocks or Dev C++? Among the people who are online, and how many people have successfully completed? If you have successfully completed, reply 1. And if it is working, Kaifu, Mahima also, she Basham, installed Dev. Good Basham. Anything is okay. Mahima. Okay. Others, Manoj has also done. Others, online ಇರೋದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು. Okay, guys, you can leave for the day. Let's see the problem tomorrow and example problem we shall see tomorrow, and we shall complete this topic. And let's start the other topic in the tomorrow's class. Is this clear? At least till the 4 steps. Reply clear if it is clear. Polygon clipping. Okay, guys. Thank you.